May buntag na to din ang tanan mga amigo ug mga amiga. So karong adlaw naa jud kay pagahisgutan nga kay balon jud ko nga kamutan na naghuwat pud mo ani nga show nga mahitabo karon sa Atlanta, Georgia, and that is the Miss Universe competition. So this is more of my prediction, final prediction for the Miss Universe 2019. Pila na lang, few hours na lang due to go. In fact, it's already 5:22 a.m. when I filmed this. So, very excited kayo ko guys for the new Miss Universe to be crowned. Di na ito pa dugay-dugayan pa. Here are my top 20. So, right after watching the preliminary competition sa ilang gowns, sa ilang swimsuit, and of course, I was blown away sa mga national costume nga gipang present sa atong mga contestants this year. Let me start off with Albania, si Cindy Marina. I just really love her. There's something in her that I really love. I don't know. Dili magugay ko moingon when I look at a contestant, dili sa ko ganahan nga mutan-aw ra jud sa ilang physical appearance, but it's more of the it factor. Kung anong ko kita niya nga mostorya because according to the Miss Universe organization, they're more into kanang the speaking skills of the candidate because obviously mahimo biya jud siya og kanang spokesperson sa Miss Universe organization, right? So, but this is just me basing sa ilang performances sa prelims, and obviously we don't know what happened jud sa ilahang closed door interview. So that's my first one, that's Albania, and another one is Bahamas. I really love Bahamas, especially during the swimsuit competition. Bahamas, I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce the name correctly. That's Taria Storup from Bahamas. She really stood out to me. I really love her. Modelas kayo siya. She's I don't know, naalang yung it factor. Again, I'm more of the it factor. I don't care about unsa kanindot ang ilang lawas, unsa kanindot ilang gown, but ang stage presence, the confidence nga ila ganing gipakita during the competition, that's what I'm looking for. So Bahamas, and then Bangladesh. Si Bangladesh, si Shirin Active. Though pag swimwear competition, siya ra jud nag-usa nga murag nag tight siya or whatever, but I think it's still a swimwear, but that's her option, or that's her requirements that gusto nga to wear something like that. I think it's all about their religion or whatever, but even if naging ato siya guys, makita jud nimo how confident she was during the competition, how confident she is. Kuan kayo siya kanang she's very pretty. I can definitely see the Miss Universe Muawad crown on her. Yeah, very pretty educational girl, and yeah, I can say anything else. Pasensya ni Kon. And next up we have Belgium. Belgium has a Filipino descent. I really like her. Belgium is Angelina Flor Pua. And by her name, manotice jud mo nga na siya Filipino jud nga descent. Yeah, she's very pretty, and when she walks, she was not on my radar before because I thought na mubura kayo siya, but Miss Universe is not all about you being tall. Siguro lang ka makita lang jud ka nga you're very tall, you're statuesque, you're very pretty, you can model and all that, but in Angeline's case, see Miss Belgium's case, she's not that tall for me. Had to look at when I saw the prelims, pero the it factor ba, knowing she's half Filipino as well, so na excited ko tayo niya. And then I have Brazil. So si Brazil guys, si Julia Horta, grabe jud kayo noon ni siya og stage presence, and what I really like about her kay siya I think she had an experience with TED Talks, nakatalk na siya sa TED Talks. That is awesome because Miss Universe, again, it's not all about modeling or whatever, it's how you speak in front of a crowd, and how are you going to convey yourself and send that message across to your audience. So that's what I really like about Brazil. She's really smart, she's very beautiful. During the swimwear competition, I just also love her. Wala lang, ang iyang bobcat nga short hair, she was working it, and I can also see the Miss Universe crowd on her. Wow, mura dyan ko ka maayo kayo nga ko, ano. Pero ako rin dyan yung buhat-buhat, guys. Okay, let's see. Bas hindi ay later on during the competition. Masulod din niya akong mga bets, no? Next, I have Cambodia. I don't know, ang ubang mga tao, wala lang dyan sila makakita ni Cambodia, but I just really love her, si Alina Somnang. Again, there's something in her that I really, really love. So, pagsulod pa lang niya sa, you know, during the swimwear competition, dito na ko nakita how confident she was. So, yeah. And, such a pretty girl. Hindi dyan mo mamakuan niya. She's really pretty. Yeah. So, I'm rooting for Miss Cambodia. Next is Chile. I don't know. Si Chile kay unique jud kayo iyahang now, no. I think she's very young. Geraldine Gonzalez. Mura sa jud Filipino jud og pangalan, but I really love her. Ang iyahang headshot was absolutely stunning. She was yeah, absolutely stunning. I can see the Miss Universe Mawawat crown again on her. Next, I have Colombia. I have Colombia. Well, it saddens me since sa una no nga wala jud sila makasulod. But again, we don't know what's going on in the background. So, well, kay Balo, no, it's just a Miss Universe organization. Because I've heard from Sierra Birchall, shout out to you, because I always watch Sierra Birchall's vlogs and English, because siya magudang para nako legit jud kayo nga mo talk about the Miss Universe competition, because obviously she joined the Miss Universe competition when it was held here in the Philippines. So, and I really love how she talks and how she gives insights back. So, Gabriela Tafour Nader from Colombia, I'm also rooting for her. She's just a pretty girl. She's not really that pretty, pero ang iyaha lagi yung, ang the it factor is there, and the way she walks, very confident. So, I'm going for Colombia too. Next one is France. So, si France, guys, na-slide siya during the swimwear competition, and it saddens me nga na ay lima kabuk contestants nga na-slide gani, and nakita mo siya, funny ba siya kaya nag-map dito, di ba? Lain kayo na competition kay, yeah, other than gamay kayo lang stage. Oh my god, but I don't want to comment on that. It's all up to you guys. If you want to make a comment about their stage, just do it down below and let's see how it goes. Tanaw to kung ganahan ba sila, they have the same impression as me na gamay ra jud kayo ang stage and all that. Gamay ra kaayo, and then mo siya naging gamay ra kayo nga convention when it is a major production supposedly. Now, I have France on my radar too. She's Maiva. I don't know, again, I don't know how to pronounce this, but Maiva Cookie. Yeah. Na-slide siya, but she recovered beautifully during the swimwear competition. During the nibawi jud siya sa iyang gown competition. The national costume medyo pareha na siya atong gikuan ni katong nakadaog gani nga Miss Universe before when it was held here in the Philippines. But yeah, I really love her. I can, the red hair of course is really standing out. So Maiva Cookie, I'm rooting for you. Next is I have Iceland. So Iceland, her name Kaisi Berta Abiba por Shotot. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's really something in her. Even si Sierra Birchall noticed nga nadyo siya it factor. Very fresh lang jud kaya yung face, and very young as well. So I can also see the Miss Universe Mawawat crown on her. Next, I have India. Si India kanang kuan gani kayo yang si Vartika Singh. I don't know, murag kalmado ra kayo siya, and when she's a pageant veteran, I know that. Pero kanang I think she's there to really win. Medyo dili kayo siya yung anak kadungog no sa mga pageant experts, but for me there's just really something in her it factor, and again I guess it's also a time for India to win again, because there was a time na grabe jud to sunod-sunod when Sushmita won Miss Universe. So nagsunod-sunod na jud siya, permis na maka-place back just like us, the Philippines, and hopefully si Vartika will be able to, you know, mabalik to siya nga time that India will be placed on the Miss Universe map again. So there. Next is I have Indonesia. Si Indonesia, si Frederica Cole. She's a very good speaker. When she speaks English, it's very fluent. She can really convey, and she can really send the message that she wants to send across. And very ano lang siya, kanang cool ra kayo siya mo paso. The slides that siya gamay, but she was able to recover again beautifully. So I really love Frederica Cole. Indonesia. Next, I have Kenya. So si Kenya, guys, I don't know, naalang jud siya something. Again, it's more of the it factor. When she walks in the runway during the swimwear competition, I can see her na she's just really having fun. Very strong candidate. Even sa iyahang pictures, headshots sa Miss Universe website, she's very pretty. I just love her. I just really do. Next is I have Peru. Si Kellen Rivera. I'm also rooting for her. She's very beautiful, kalmado lang. Nindot kay siya mo pa, so sexy but not cocky. That's what I really like about her. So yeah, I'm rooting for Peru. Next, of course, is our very own Philippines, si Gazini Ganados. I'm very proud of her, knowing that I am a true-blooded Cebuano, and she's also from Cebu, and especially sa Talisay, di ba? Taga Talisay sa Judmi. What I really love about her, because she's very humble, and then siya na siguro ang pinakagwapa sa tanang mga candidates karon, no? I know daghan kayong nagbash sa iya about the national costume and about the gown, but it's not all about it. It's how you project yourself in the runway, and how you project yourself in front of millions of people watching you. And I think Gazini was able to pull it off. I really love her confidence, and there was one video nga akong natanaw ba, because I've been watching a lot of mga predictions and their reactions and all that. So very smart yung kayo siya nga girl, kay she already knows nga daghan na kaayong mga slides. So what she did was she toned down a bit para dili sa jud siya ma-slide, and she will be able to represent the Philippines very well. And the national costume is so intricate. I really love the design. Kudos to Carrie Santiago, and thank you so much for showcasing the Cebuano talent in an international stage. So I'm rooting for Gazini. Am I expecting for a back-to-back? That I really don't know, because for sure sila tanan na just lay chance. Bitaw kaning akong gipagsugin na just lay chance. They're beautiful. They're successful in their own field, and they also have this good speaking skills. Nay uban no nga mayon nga pati daw kayo mo speak si Gazini. Well, in the first place, it's not our first language, and secondly, naman yung mga thoughts si Gazini, and as a communications trainer, she just really have to make her statement short and simpler, para sa jud nga dili na siya mag-add og dakang words to it, para dili sa mas malibog ang mga tao what she's trying to say. But I'm sure that she can pull it off later on, and I have high hopes for Gazini. May santo ninyo be with you, Gazini. Next, I have Puerto Rico. What I really love about Puerto Rico, guys, kay katong sa iyang national costume, for me lang ha, siyang ako ang dili kay siya yung anak overwhelming ang iyang gipangdala or whatsoever. It was so light. Makita nimo that she's just really having fun wearing the national costume, and when iyan ang giana dyan ang nahimo siya gumamela, I was like blown away. So Puerto Rico, I love you. Next is South Africa. Si South Africa jud ang siguro ang pinakagrabe nga si Zuzu Bini Tunzi. She is one of those contestants jud nga kanang fit for the crown. Everyone is really fit for the crown, but South Africa is just there. And it's also nice to crown someone ba nga kanaging medyo mubuhok. But I don't know, over the past years, mga tag-as man dyan ng mga buhok, but we'll see because she's very beautiful. I love her body. I love her gown, and it's very unique. It's showcasing what South Africa is, and on top of that, she's a very good speaker. So Zuzibini Tunzi, I'm also rooting for you. Next, I have Thailand. Now, see Thailand, guys. Si Pawan Suda drawing. At first, I really don't like her because she's such a, for me lang ha, and please don't get me wrong, para lang nako ng jud ni siya. It's just a bit of a Catriona Gray. And wala siya, di na ko makita ang individuality gani. Right. Nalang jud Catriona Gray touch. I don't know, ma-associate dyan ako siya with Catriona Gray. Even ang iyahang mga advocacy, even ang iyahang kanang, basta the way she posed during the swimwear competition, it's so Catriona Gray. But we'll see. I mean, she's a front runner. Thailand also has a huge chance to be the Miss Universe 2019. Then of course, ito get sa Philippines, no? Next is I have USA. Guys, ang body ni USA si Chelsea Crest. Yes, ang body ni USA so nagpandisal, and she's been hiding that all along. But I really love her swim her competition. I'm not much of a fan sa iyang gown because you know, it's just a so-so. But I know she's a great speaker. She's a lawyer, so she deserves to win that crown. And of course, being the USA Miss USA firsthand, gonna see it's like uban-uban ni Catriona Gray. There's always a huge chance that USA will get the crown this year. Next, I have Vietnam. Si Vietnam, si Toi Huang. Mura siya a queen demands attention, and she's just queen. Pagsulod pa lang niya sa runway, mura gay kan tao tanang tao mutan out jud sa iya that I'm here on Vietnam. So it's the same ba itong last year nga mura grabe jud kay ilang mga strong representatives jud kay ilang patala over the past 2 years. And yeah, Vietnam, she's, by the way, she's a winner of Vietnam's Next Top Model. Well, with no doubt, hindi kayo siya mo rampa, but we'll see, no, how she goes during the interview. I just really hope that her closer interview also went well. But I'm really rooting for Vietnam. So that's it. That's my top 20, and I will give you my top 5. And out of these top 5, nara din ako on Miss Universe. So I have Thailand, South Africa, Puerto Rico, Philippines, and Vietnam. So I'm hoping that Philippines will really climb up all the way to top 3. But it's between South Africa. I really don't know, guys. I really don't know, and I'm very excited na a few more hours and we will know who will be our new Miss Universe to replace Catriona Gray. And I'm just really crossing my fingers nga may unta Philippines will have a back-to-back win. I'm very excited for that, but again, anyone can be Miss Universe. So later on, I will do another video for you guys about my thoughts for this year's competition. Medyo serious ni siya, no? Because, you know, Filipinos as we are, Miss Universe is just up there. So we have the 3 Bs, just like what Catriona said. We have the basketball, we have you know, boxing, and of course beauty pageant. And I know for sure nga daghan jud kay magtan-aw dili lang mga members of the LGBT community, but also girls, guys. Here in the Philippines, we are really supporting you, Gazini Ganados, and we are definitely hoping for a back-to-back. But whatever it is, we're very proud of you as a true-blooded Cebuano. Thank you so much for representing the Philippines well. Bye for now.